Now let's add product to our store. So click on the blue button label products. Click on add new products button. So let's fill this form together. I want to sell white rice flour 5 kg. Then my description: Nutri-Full white rice flour is a mixture of white rice and soya beans for making variety of meal, and as an alternative for wheat flour in making confectionery items. So you can make your own shorter as long as it's straightforward. Product type: physical product. Category: my is agro-processed product. Subcategory: daily meal. Subcategory is absent. So now I will generate code by clicking generate code right up. So I've generated code for this product. Brand here means the association which you belong to or which your product belong to. Mine belong to National Board for Technology Incubation. So if you go to National Board for Technology Incubation, I'm under them. You will see my file with them. Variation. So this variation has to do with products that have different colors and attributes. But in my case, I don't have to add any color, as my product don't have colors and attributes. So different colors and attributes. So I'll just go down to product price and stock. So unit price is 5,000 naira. That's my selling price. Then the amount I use in making it, the difference is now the commission. It's 4,750. Then okay, my tax model, I exclude it. Will I give discount? Yeah, discount type that I want to give. Let's see, I have flat rate and percentage. So I'm going to give flat. So discount, I'm going to give 15 naira. The quantity of the product, I have 100 pieces. Minimum order quantity. Minimum order quantity here means the amount customers can order, the minimum amount customer can order. So in my case is 1, from 1 to 100. Shipping cost. So this has to do with attributing the cost of transportation to each of the product. But in my case, my product can be shipped together at once, so I don't need to add any cost to each of the products. Then tag tag. So let me tag it white rice, comma, soya beans, comma, flour. Good. So if we search on any of this, my product will appear. The meta title is when you go to meta pages to search for my product, you can use white rice flour 5 kg. Then I'll now pick the meta image. Okay. Then description, meta description. So I can go back to my first description and copy. Then I'll come and paste it here. Paste. Good. So here, YouTube video link. So for those products that will have video descriptions, you can copy the link and paste here. But mine I don't have, so I'll just go direct and upload product images. So here I can upload as many images of the product as possible. But in this case I have 2. So I've uploaded the 2. Upload thumbnail. Thumbnail are the ones that will appear on the e-commerce platform. So now I have filled everything. I will now go back and cross-check my form. Okay, I think I'm in order. Okay, yeah, so I'm in order. I will now submit. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Product uploaded successfully. So you can see it, I have submitted 1 product. So continuously, if I keep submitting, it will appear here. I can submit as many products as possible. So this is how it is. Now I'll wait for admin to approve my product and images.